Developers are comparing Lovable, Cursor, and Blackbox AI, but the difference becomes obvious once you test them all on real-life workflows. Today we are exploring the gaps what Lovable and Cursor can't handle, and why Blackbox AI outperforms both when you are building anything beyond a simple idea. Lovable's biggest issue is at the foundation. It relies on fast, automated project generation, but lacks the intelligence to maintain clean structure, stable architecture, or scalable logic. Code looks okay on the surface, but the moment you try to expand features or customize, things start falling apart. Developers end up repairing its output more than using it. Architecture isn't preserved, refactors break, multi-step edit collapse, and it simply can't support production-level work. Automation without long-term reliability. Cursor gives developer more control, but it's another wall. Shallow context, it handles small edits well, but once your code base grows, Cursor can't maintain a deep understanding across files and features. You will see repeated errors, confusing reasoning, and inconsistent changes, especially in a large repo or full stack project. It only works as long as the task stays small. This is where Blackbox AI stands out. It doesn't just generate code, it understands your architecture, your repo, and the relationship between files at a deeper level. Tracks down context across the entire repository, complex refactors, new features, file-to-file dependencies. Blackbox handles them without losing coherence. Instead of producing code that needs cleanup, Blackbox generates maintainable, stable logic that aligns with real engineering standards. It handles multi-step tasks that require planning, sequence, and understanding of how different layers connect. The more complex the task, the more Blackbox shines. It doesn't collapse under pressure, it gets more valuable. When you compare them side by side, the difference becomes undeniable. When you are building real products, app that needs stability, long-term maintainability, and clear architecture, the tool you rely on can't break at scale. That's why developers choose Blackbox AI. Reliable reasoning across the entire code base, higher quality output, fewer bugs and rework, faster development cycles, architecture that remains constant over time. Lovable and Cursor both hit limitations that slow down real development. Blackbox AI delivers deeper understanding, smarter reasoning, and code you can actually build on. If you want an AI tool that keeps up with real engineering workflows, Blackbox is the one that delivers. Subscribe for more AI development breakdowns. Try Blackbox AI, and that's it.